What do you notice happening with our x and y?
So, like, for all of them, it's switching the x and y coordinates numbers and taking and depending on which way it is and where it also switches which ones are positive and negative.
Okay, so the x and y switched places, right? And the new x, which was the old y, is also opposite. Do you see that? Okay. Now, when we went 180, what's the new w?
4 negative 5.
4 negative 5. X?
1 negative 3.
Y? And?
3 negative 2.
Okay. So what happens here? X, Y becomes what?
Negative. Wait.
Y becomes negative.
Yeah.
And
That's what I
x
said.
becomes positive.
Okay, so opposite X, opposite Y?
Yes.
Yeah.
Does that happen?
No, it's
See, only the Y thing.
Negative 4, positive 4, negative 1, positive 1.
But then 5 changes to negative 5.
So all of these X's are opposite from the original. All of these Y's are opposite from the original.
No. Wait, so then it's negative.
Okay. Now, for the 270, what's our new Y? I mean, new W.
12.
Isn't it 5, 4?
Yeah. It's 5 4.
X?
X changes.
What's X?
5 5.
3 1.
3, 1. Y is 2, 2. And Z is 2, 3. All right? So how does this change? X comma Y becomes what? Okay, so the X becomes opposite, right?
Yeah.
But then are they in the same place or do they switch?
They switch.
They switch.
So it's 1.
Okay. Now, leaving this open, can you get out your student journals, please?
Yes. I'm not going to leave it open.
Okay. That's up to you. Now,
Hey.
here's the deal, people. No matter what we do with our rotations, we can do this with patty paper, and it's going to happen like this every time. Now, I don't think you necessarily have to remember these rules. I'm going to give you a way to do it without memorizing the rules, but I want you to understand that this is something that's going to happen every time. Okay? So, we are talking about a rotation. Okay? A rotation, this is page 104, is another rigid motion where we are always going to go counterclockwise. Okay? Now, some of you really like rules, and so I will tell you, it is totally fine on the top of page 105 to just learn those rules. Those are what we just discovered. Okay? Now, I'm telling you, you don't have to memorize those if you don't want to. This is what we're going to be able to do. Are you ready? Okay. So, we're going to look at number 2 first on page 105. All right? I see that R is the coordinate negative 2, 0. S, wait, no it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's negative 4.
Oh, yeah.
S is the coordinate negative 1, 3. And T is the coordinate negative 5, 1. Do you agree? What?
Yes.
Yeah.
What? Oh, thank you.
No, I don't agree.
Okay, thank you. All right. Now, this is what I'm going to tell you. If you don't want to memorize the rule, then what we can do is we can physically turn our paper and replot these coordinates. So, if we're going to rotate it 90 degrees, what quadrant is it going to end up in? Third. Okay? So since we want our shape to go counterclockwise, we are going to turn our paper to the right, 90 degrees. So my paper is now sideways, 90 degrees. It's going to go left when we turn our paper right.
Oh.
Okay? Now, just do this with me. Turn your paper sideways to the right one time. Now I want you to plot the coordinate. We're going to pretend that this is right side up. Even though our paper is sideways, we're going to pretend it's right side up. So now I can plot -4, 0. Like, do you see that I just went to the left? 4.
That makes sense.
And then I'm going to go left 1, up 5. And then I'm going to go left 5, up 1. And look, that's where I want it, right?
Holy buckets.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you what I did again. I'm going to come closer to you guys.
I thought it would be down 5.
Oh, okay, I got it.
Wait, what do we do?
I messed up.
Okay, I took my paper and I rotated it to the right 90 degrees. Thank you. Then I plotted my points like this was normal paper. I went left 5, up 0. I went, left 4, up 0. I went left 1, up 5. Do you see what I mean? Isn't that great? For tomorrow? Yeah. No. Not yet. But you gotta have something to do tomorrow, bud. Are you gonna be here?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll work on it tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I'm so excited that you're excited about math, though. All right, so now let's talk about this 180. This J is the coordinate -2, 4. K is the coordinate -5, 1. L is the coordinate -2, -2. And M is the coordinate 1, 1. What are we going to do to our paper?
Upside down.
If we turn our paper upside down, then we can plot these points just upside down. So look at me. Over here. Haha, I'm over here. I have my iPad upside down. And I'm going to pretend that this is right side up. And I'm going to go left 2, up 4. And there is my new, because I didn't. Geez, look at the coordinate. Left 5, up 1. Left 2, down 2. And right 1, up 1.
That makes so much sense.
Okay.
Oh, wait, no, I did get it right.
Now remember, you do have the option of just remembering, to rotate it 180 degrees, I'm just going to make A and B negative.
Wait, can you go back one part?
Yes, I can.
Oh, I think I got it.
Well, I'm just gonna swap it around.
Wait, I think I
Maybe this moment in the calendar will give you that.
It's a rigid motion.
He doesn't have it either.
Go counterclockwise.
allowed to use some patty paper on the test.
Nope. What? Okay, now, one more thing and then I'll have you do your homework. I want you to go back to this page. And I want to talk about rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. If a figure can be rotated and it's still the same, that's rotational symmetry.
Like still the same position.
What did you just ask me?
What'd you say?
Homework? I can.
Okay. I'm gonna have you stay in your seat though. Okay, Alex, how many times can I rotate this equilateral triangle and it look the same?
You can.
Alex, you're wrong anyway. Alex,
3 times it.
okay. So we can rotate it 3 times. Rotate it. What would be the angle that we could rotate it by?
60 degrees.
Nope.
90.
Nope.
Wait, 120.
120.
Same difference. I saw that.
3 times.
How many degrees are all the way around? So if we take 360 divided by the number of times we can rotate it, we get the angle of rotation.
Got my 4. It's 90.
All right.
Yes, it was good.
Un poco loco children. Pequeño.
Doesn't that mean
What is it?
Yeah. Page 6 and 7. Get started. It's Halloween. Crazy.